హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విద్యా టీవీ. ఈ పర్టికులర్ వీడియోలో మనం సింగరేణి కాలేజ్ జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్ సంబంధించిన కొన్ని మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ యాజ్ పర్ సిలబస్, జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్ సిలబస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చేద్దాం. అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రిలేటెడ్ టు జనరల్ స్టడీస్. ఓకే, అండ్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ రిలేటెడ్ టు జనరల్ స్టడీస్ అండ్ యాజ్ పర్ సిలబస్ ఆఫ్ జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి, which of the given article of the Indian Constitution deals with National Commission for Scheduled Castes? Okay, National Commission for Scheduled Castes, and the options are Article 350, 343, Article 355, Article 338, Article 333, and the answer is National Commission for Scheduled Castes article according to the article 338. That is option 3 is the right answer. Next question, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the imposition of the President's rule? Imposition of the President's rule according to the article 344, article 356, article 375, article 344, and our answer is President rules is according to the article 356. That is option B is the right answer. Article 356, President's rule. Next one, which article of the Indian Constitution directs the state to take steps to separate the judiciary from the executive in the public services of the state? And the options given are Article 58, Article 44, Article 52, and Article 50. Okay, and the answer is option D, Article 50. Okay, answer D, Article 50. Next one, how many fundamental rights have been provided by the Constitution of India? How many fundamental rights have been provided by the Constitution of India? The options given are 8, 9, 5, 6, and the answer is total fundamental rights are 6. Option D is the right answer, that is 6. Next question, the right to move freely throughout the territory of India comes under which article of the Indian Constitution? Right to move freely throughout the territory of India, and the options are Article 11, Article 13, Article 19, Article 22, and the answer is option C, and the answer is option C. Option C is the right answer, that is option C, Article 19 is the right answer. Right. Next question is, which of the Indian constitutions give articles has the right to privacy being incorporated as fundamental rights? Right to privacy, and the options given are Article 15, Article 17, Article 21, Article 23, and the answer is option C, that is Article. Next question, which of the given articles of the Indian Constitution empowers the President to grant pardons to any person? And the options are Article 41, Article 72, Article 27, Article 91, and the answer is option B, Article 72. Option B is the right answer. Right. Next question is, which article of the Indian Constitution deal with the fundamental rights? Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental rights? And the options given are Article 351, Article 71, Article 12 to 35, Article 46 to 59. And the answer is option C, Article 12 to 35. Article 12 to 35 is the right answer. Next question is, the first session of the Constitution Assembly was held on, and the options given are 25th December 1949, 26th January 1949, 9th December 1946, 11th November 1946, and the answer is the first session was held on 9th December 1946. That is option C is the right answer. Next question. EVM, electronic voting machine, was first used in which year? And the options given are 1992, 1973, 1982, 1980. And the answer is option C, 1982. EVM was used in the year 1982. Next question. Which of the given schedules of the Indian Constitution is included in the Gram Panchayats? And the options are Schedule 10, Schedule 11, Schedule 12, Schedule 13. And the answer is option 2, Schedule 11. That is option B is the right answer, Schedule 11. Next question. Which article of Indian Constitution states that directive principles of the state policy on promotion of international peace and security? Options given are Article 57, Article 51, Article 59, Article 49. And the answer is option B, Article 59. Right. So these are the questions based on general studies, very much important for Singareni College Junior Assistant. కంపల్సరీ మీకు హెల్ప్ అవుతాయి. ఒకవేళ ఏదైనా మిస్టేక్స్ ఉంటాయి సొల్యూషన్స్లో, ఆన్సర్స్లో మిస్టేక్స్ ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ని మా కమెంట్స్ ద్వారా తెలపండి. ఓకే, బై మిస్టేక్ అంటే నేను ఎటువంటి మిస్టేక్ చేస్తే ప్లీజ్ డూ గివ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇన్ ద కమెంట్ బాక్స్. రైట్, దట్స్ ఆల్ ఫర్ దిస్ వీడియో. థ్యాంక్ యూ.